Hi. I'm trying to build a, let's just show you what I want to build, and I want to show you from 0 to 100, from A to Z, what I will do to create this PCB. What this PCB should have, let's just call it that this is a PCB. It has maybe it has an ESP7, I think, that is esp8266 version 7. So that is the ESP that I wanna use in this project. There is 2 relay. Let's just have it R1. This is relay R2. Let's just R2. That's okay. And 2 input. What I want to use for input is 2 optocoupler. So opto 1 for input, opto 2 for another input. So in this relay I will use another opto R1. So I will control this relay with the optocoupler, so it will be isolate. So our MCU or ESP will be safe. So let's just copy and paste it. No, it's better that create this game up to R2. Just that. But what I think for this project, I should use an MCU. And let's just create an MCU here, because ESP should do HTTP request, Wi-Fi, and all of this. So we want to use an MCU to control anything, any other thing that we want. But for ESP, we just use it for Wi-Fi, internet, HTTP request, and this. So I want to have a MCU here from Novoton, if I'm correct. So this is I hope it's correct writing. It is so much efficient for price efficient, and it is so low cost. You can use it in every project you want. Let's just see what other thing I want. Well, I want to program this ESP, so I should have, let's just size up to this, 2 track for programming, 1 for ground, so 3 is enough. That's it. 2 track from here to here, it is enough to communicate with this. 2 track for control this, and 2 for this, and I think 3 would be enough for programming this. That's okay. And what we want, you know, there is two relay here and two input here. That input is isolate. Again, it can sense voltage that will be placed in here. So there will be a connector here, connector. Of course, when we go to PCB, it will be much beautiful. So it will be three connector here, three pin here. So one of them is ground and two other is input that will be connect here, and this will be ground. Of course, maybe I will change it in future, but for now I want this connection. So there is an idea that we want this board to be able to control another board. So we want something here, some connector, that another board here can be connected to it. So this will be connected to it, and maybe this another board have let's say 2 relays, 4 relays, or 2 input, 4 input optocoupler input, or 10 relays. No matter what you want to control it. So maybe we want one of them should be ground, GND, it will be for ground, and another. You know what we do here? I see that everyone do it like this: ground here and VCC here. This is no good. If we don't connect it right, it will be broke. So let's ground here and VCC here. It can be wrong. You don't need any protection for this, because if we don't connect it right, nothing will explode. So it will be okay. So in this 2 pin, maybe I wanna use I to C or use ART. I don't know it yet. I to C or use ART. 2 pin is enough for connecting to another board that has whatever we want. So I think that's all we need now. Let's just make it big so we can clear this. And from here to here, I think this will be our board that we want to design. So I want to save it in Dice, Paint, and let's call it 1. Then save it. I want to build this PCB. So first of all, I need all the data sheet that we want for this project, what we want to use in this, and we will download all of its datasheet. Let's just minimize this, and in docs you see I have a project. It is for this year my 8th project, so I will call it 8, and its names, and